Your sign-up form assistant is ready to build you a professional, eye-catching sign-up form that will level up your website and help you grow your list. I'm so excited to show you how to use it. Let's jump right in. You're going to start off on this screen. If you already have an idea for something you want, go ahead and click Write My Own. This is where you can add a custom prompt or upload an image to add or use as inspiration. If you don't know what you want, go ahead and go back to Guide Me. You can use this pre-filled section and click the suggestion button at the top to cycle through some ideas for inspiration. We also have some pre-built templates down here at the bottom that you can start with and customize to match your brand. Each of these inputs can be updated to match what you want. You can choose your form type. I want mine to slide in from the side, the form fields that you want to collect, and any special features like a live countdown timer or maybe a scratch off the top that unlocks a 20% off discount. When you're ready, go ahead and click Build My Form. There's going to be a loading state, but trust the process. I promise it'll be worth the wait. Once your form is ready, you can go ahead and test it out in the preview area. If you want to make any changes to your form, go ahead down to the bottom left corner and ask your assistant to make some changes. I'm going to ask for a fun animated background and update the colors to blue and green instead. We'll give it some time to work. Okay, the assistant is done and I'm loving the updates. It's matching the blue and green theme that I asked for, and it also has a little moving animated background. This is so cool. If you ever want to make just minor updates like change the text, you can go ahead and click the Click to Edit view where I can click on the text and make some changes. When you're happy with your form, go over to your display settings where you can set up your domain. You'll have to add this to your website only one time. Once it's been added once, you can control which pages your form shows up on using the controls below. You can choose how often it shows to each person or even schedule it to turn on during a certain date. Once you have that set up, go ahead and save and click Publish. Your form will publish to your website. Once it's published, you'll be able to toggle whether or not your form is active on your site by clicking right up here. This is an entirely new way to create sign-up forms for your website, and we're so excited to see what you can create.